In this question, we have to find limit x tends to root 3, x square minus 3 upon x square plus 3 root 3 x minus 12. If we directly substitute the limit, we will get 0 by 0 form. So we have to create factors of numerator as well as denominator. Let's begin from the numerator, which is x square minus 3, or we can say it is x square minus root 3 the whole square, which is in the form of a square minus b square and having factors of a minus b and a plus b. So it will be x minus root 3 into x plus root 3. Now let's try to get factors of denominator, and for that we need two digits having product is equal to minus 12 and summation is equal to 3 root 3, and those digits are 4 root 3 and root 3. So first and last term will be as it is, and we have to split the middle term as a 4 root 3x minus root 3x. From first two terms we can take x common, so remaining factor will be x plus 4 root 3. And from last two terms we can take minus root 3 common, so we'll get x plus 4 root 3. So we will get x minus root 3 and x plus 4 root 3 as the factors of denominator. Now let's get back to the original question where we have to substitute limit x tends to root 3 in our function. In numerator we have to substitute factors of numerator, and in denominator we have to substitute factors of denominator. The common factor is x minus root 3, cancel out. So we will ready to substitute our limit into x plus root 3 and x plus 4 root 3. So let's replace our x by root 3. So we'll get root 3 plus root 3 upon root 3 plus 4 root 3, which will give us 2 root 3 upon 5 root 3, or we can say 2 by 5 is your final answer. Ta-da! In this question, we have to find limit x tends to root 3, x tends to 4 minus 9 upon x square plus 4 root 3x minus 15. If we directly substitute the limit, we will get 0 by 0 form. So we have to create factors of it. So let's try to get factors of numerator, or we can say square of x square minus square of 3, which is in the form of a square minus b square, and its factors are a minus b and a plus b. So it must be x square minus 3 and x square plus 3. Again, this x square minus 3 can be rewrite as x square root 3 the whole square, which will give us x minus root 3 into x plus root 3, and your x square plus 3 will be as it is. Now let's try to get factors of denominator, which is x square plus 4 root 3x minus 15, and for that we need two digits having product is equal to minus 15 and summation is equal to 4 root 3, and those digits are 5 root 3 and minus root 3. So let's say first and last digit will be as it is. We can split our middle term as 5 root 3x minus root 3x. So from first two terms we can take x common, so remaining terms will be x plus 5 root 3, and from last two terms we can take minus root 3 common, so we'll get x plus 5 root 3. So the factors of the denominator will be x plus 5 root 3 and x minus root 3. So we are ready to get limit x tends to root 3. In numerator we will substitute factors of numerator, upon in denominator we will substitute factors of denominator. Here the common factor is x minus root 3, cancel out. So we are ready to substitute our limit x tends to root 3 into x plus root 3 into x square plus 3 upon x plus 5 root 3. So let's replace our x by root 3. So we'll get root 3 plus root 3 into root 3 square will be 3 plus 3 whole divided by root 3 plus 5 root 3. So we'll get 2 root 3 into 6 divided by 6 root 3. So your root 3 and 6 will be cancelled out and your final answer will be 2. Ta-da! In this question, we have limit x tends to 2, x upon x minus 2 minus 4 upon x square minus 2x. Before we go for substituting limit, let's simplify. Your first term will be as it is minus, in second term, denominator can be split into x into x minus 2. So, we can take LCM of x into x minus 2. So, we have to multiply x to the first term. So, we'll get x square minus 4. Now, in numerator, we can factorize x square minus 4 as x minus 2 into x plus 2 upon x into x minus 2. So, your x minus 2 will cancel out and we will ready to substitute our limit x tends to 2 into x plus 2 upon x. So just replace your x by 2. So you'll get 2 plus 2 divided by 2, or we can say 4 by 2, or 2 is the final answer. Ta-da! In this question, we have to find limit x tends to 1 upon x square plus x minus 2 minus 2 upon x cube minus 1. Now, before we take LCM, we have to find out factors of x square plus x minus 2. And for that, let's split the middle term as 2x minus x. Minus 2 will be as it is. From first two terms, we can take x common. So remaining terms will be x plus 2. And from last two terms, we can take minus 1 common. So we'll get x plus 2. So finally, we will get x plus 2 into x minus 1 as a factor. And in denominator of the second term, we have x cube minus 1, which can be factorized as x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. So let's substitute the factors. So we'll get limit x tends to 1 upon the factors of x square plus x minus 2 minus x upon factors of x cube minus 1. Now here, the common factor is x minus 1. So, limit x tends to 1. In further simplification, you have to take LCM. So, this x plus 1 will multiply with 1, will give us x square plus x plus 1 minus x plus 2 multiply with x will give us x square plus 2x. And your LCM will be x minus 1, x plus 2 and x square plus x plus 1. In further simplification, limit x tends to 1 will be as it is x square plus x plus 1 minus x square minus 2x whole divided by your denominator will be as it is. Now here, your x square will cancel out and x minus 2x will become minus x plus 1 will be as it is, and rest of the things will be as it is. Now here, if we take minus common, we will get x minus 1. So your x minus 1 will be cancelled out and we just have to substitute limit into 1 upon x plus 2 upon x square plus x plus 1. So just replace your x by 1. So you'll get 1 plus 2 and 1 square plus 1 plus 1. Or we can say we will get minus 1 upon 9 as your final answer. Ta-da! Here we have to find limit x tends to 3, 1 upon x minus 3 minus 2 upon x square minus 4x plus 3. Now, before we go for limit, we have to take LCM, and for that we need factors of x square minus 4x plus 3. So, your x square and 3 will be as it is. We will split middle term as minus 3x and minus x. So, we can take x common from first two terms. We'll get x minus 3, and from rest of the two terms we'll take minus 1 common. So, we'll get x minus 3 again. So, the factors will be x minus 3 and x minus 1. So, let's write down limit x tends to 3. Your first term will be as it is 1 upon x minus 3, and in second term 2 upon the factors of x square minus 4x plus 3. Here the common factor is x minus 3, so we don't have to worry about it while we taking LCM. This x minus 1 will multiply with 1, will give us x minus 1 and minus 2 upon x minus 3 into x minus 1. So here limit x tends to 3. In numerator we will get x minus 1 and minus 2 will become minus 3 upon x minus 3 into x minus 1. Here your x minus 3 is a common factor. It will be cancelled out, and we are ready to replace our x by 3. So we'll get 1 upon 3 minus 1, or we can say 1 by 2 is your final answer. Ta-da! In this question, we have to find limit x tends to 2, 1 upon x minus 2 minus 2 upon x square minus 2x. Actually, your limit x tends to 2 and first term, which is 1 upon x minus 2, will be as it is minus 2 upon this. From x square minus 2x, we can take x common. So we'll get x minus 2. So here we'll get x minus 2 as a common factor. So we don't have to worry about it when we take LCM. So limit x tends to 2 and take LCM. Your x multiply with 1 will give us x minus 2 upon x into x minus 2. Your x minus 2 will cancel out, and we are ready to substitute our limit into 1 by x. Will give us 1 by 2 as your final answer. Ta-da!